All right, just leaving the hotel. Gonna do a quick little resupply and then head back to the Bartram Trail. My last video, I started the Bartram Trail from the Chattooga River all the way to Franklin, North Carolina. In this video, I'm taking it from Franklin all the way to the AT and finishing the Bartram Trail, taking the AT all the way up to Fontana Dam. Oh my gosh. That's the first Biden-Harris sign I've ever seen, especially in the South. Video slots at the gas station. I need another pair of shoes. Come on. It's warm today. Whew. And back to the trail. Finally back on some dirt. I had a nice rest day, but it does feel good to be back on trail. Well, the problem with hiking out of town is that you got a full resupply on your back and you're 9 times out of 10 hiking out of a valley. So usually that first day is a slog, but at least you ate enough. Whew. A little hot today, but wanted to show you the view. This is Williams Pulpit. Pass right by this guy. Of course it's that way, straight up. Oh my God, it's so cute. Someone painted a little baby fawn. I'm not carrying a rock. Set that little gym there for someone else. Oh, this is gonna be a fun little jungle gym. Well, I'm at Locust Tree Gap, which is right before the big climb to Waya Bald, which is where the Bartram Trail and the Appalachian Trail connect. They join for about a mile and then they split back off again until the Bartram reconnects with the AT, and that's where it ends. Ow, 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 ow. It's just blackberry bushes. Ooh, a spring. Made it up to Waya Bald, but I'm told by the locals that just left that the old-time Southerners call it Warrior Bald. Fun facts: it wouldn't be a fire tower without graffiti and pentagrams and basketballs. Just hanging out. Just enjoying that sunset peeking through. It is just beautiful. My battery pack completely died. The Lakes End Bar and Grill completely saved my butt right now. They let me charge my phone, but I couldn't record anything before that, so I missed this morning. Hey, back on the trail again. Here we go. Last night, I pulled out the battery pack, which was fully charged when I left the hotel, and it started blinking the lights. My heart sank because I had no power left on my phone. So appreciative. All right, so I feel like I'm going up someone's driveway right now. It felt like someone's driveway because it was. Back on course. Man, that little pond with the waterfall going into it really looks enjoyable to dip in. Probably a way to get over there, but I'm not sure. And I got some miles to catch up on. Curiosity got the best of me, and now I'm climbing ropes down to it. Oh, this is gonna eat my day so bad. Would you look at this? Like I could pass this off. Oh no. I should have brought the tripod. Ah. Yeah, there's a little guy. Ooh. Oh, it's getting colder. That was incredible. I was able to jump off the rock and swim to the waterfall. I saw this and I can't say no. I mean, this is stupid. It's just too pretty to not jump in this. But I did leave my stuff up at the top of the ridge, so I need to go get that now. All right, now to get back out. Look, my stuff's still here. Well, time to dry off a little bit. Not even 5 minutes later, a group of local kids head up the trail in their swimsuits. I was like, you don't tell anybody about this place, do you? And they're like, nah. Well, it's on video now. Isn't that cute? Everyone's property. Heading on down the road. Dang it, I went the wrong way. All right, I'm an idiot. I did not see the blaze. Nantahala Apple Tree Campground. And there's the trail. Look at all the tents. I guess there is a group camp out. Definitely a pretty place for it. It caught me. It wouldn't let go. And it won. He almost came right up to me. On the other hand, he might be defecating in my water source right now. That's okay. Oh, this is gonna be a tougher one to rock hop. Oh, okay. Whoa! Ah, dang it. Squish, 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 squish. Hey. There's a view. Whoa. What's that used for? It's condensating. I don't know. Man, you find the most random stuff on the trail. I saw a fawn today and a bear. Didn't get a video of the bear though. Bummer. The turbine inlet valve. That's pretty neat. Getting the rafts inflated. I gotta come back here and do that. Today is a cooker, man. I am just sweating like crazy. It's just up. A hot, sweaty up. Are these blueberries? They're not ripe, but they are blueberries. Look at who we have here. Ah, that is why rattlesnakes are the best snakes. Because they let you know. Well, it was a good thing I found that rattlesnake first. Kind of hung around for a little while. And a lady backpacking with her dog came down the trail, and I went back to where it was just to point it out because I didn't want that dog to get bit. Well, I still got a bit more to go to get to the Appalachian Trail, but it's definitely a nice little falls to get to. What is that I see? Ha ha ha. Ah. 20 miles of Fontana Dam. I'm back on it. I'm back home. Well, I'm gonna do something that I usually do when I start a trail, but I haven't been on these past trails. I'm gonna pray. Lord in heaven, I pray that you bless this trail. I pray for your protection. I pray that you guide my steps. And I pray for strength to overcome the difficulties that lie ahead. In your name I pray. Amen. I haven't really gone into my faith, because faith is personal. I was waiting to share that in a conversation, but I haven't hiked with too many people here. It was fitting to start with the prayer on the AT. This completed the Bartram Trail. Okay, real quick review. The Bartram Trail connects the Chattooga River to the Appalachian Trail. It's about 110 miles. I think the only negative about this trail is that there's a 10-mile road walk through Franklin. It's not the worst road walk. They actually do a pretty good job on keeping you off of major roads. But what can I say about the Bartram Trail? It is beautiful. Dare I say it? More beautiful than the Foothills Trail. I know that's a bit of a controversial topic, but the Bartram Trail makes you work for it, but it also rewards you at the same time, where the Foothills Trail didn't always have that reward. I know I hit a pretty bad rainy day and had some fogged out views, but all in all, the Bartram Trail really had the value there for me. I highly recommend for anyone who's interested, hike it. Would you look at that? This is Brown Fort Gap Shelter. Oh, looks like someone left a bunch of crap in here. These are to hang your food bags so the mice don't nibble at it. Well, it isn't a true visit until you visit the privy. Oh yeah, nice. I love the handicap railing. All right. Made it to a view. So last night I got in a little bit late to Cable Gap Shelter, and there was an older couple there, originally from Russia, and they were just so nice. So we all shared the shelter together. Walker Gap. Well, this is the fun part about through hiking. Now the key to hitchhiking is you stick out your thumb, you look presentable, and you give a nice big smile. Like that. You don't look crazy. People will pick you up for sure. Well, some days you get it, some days you road walk. Ha 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 ha. Damn good times. It was scorching hot, just down by the coast.
Yeah, the humidity.
Yeah, it really is. Made it into town. Time to eat. Water. Push the white lever until you think it'll break, then push harder. Oh yeah. In this last episode, I started the second half of the Bartram Trail from Franklin, North Carolina, and connected it to the Appalachian Trail. I saw beautiful views, swam in a waterfall-fed swimming hole, had Bambi come right up to me, had a rattlesnake tell me that she didn't want me to step on her. In the next episode, I'll be heading up the Smokies to Clingman's Dome, and then down the Mountains to Sea Trail to Cherokee. Also, I will be doing this section with a hiking partner, so it won't just be me on camera this time. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And I also have links in the description below if you want to send me a trail bar or a meal or something. It's definitely a big morale boost when I see them. Well, I'm Scallywag, your favorite vagabond. Staying trashy, but keeping it classy, and I'll see you next time.